Hello and welcome to the week 8 of our project management professional training program. So glad to have you here and so glad you've come this far. So this week we are going to be looking at a very important aspect, a very important knowledge area in the project management program as far as successfully managing a project is concerned and delivering quality deliverables, products and services. This knowledge area is critical, and I'm talking about project quality management. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this week and in this module 8 and week 8. So without further ado, let's dive in and dissect this week's material. Now, first and foremost, let's look at an overview. All right, let's take an overview of what project quality management is, so we can know what it entails and what it is not. Okay, so this week, like I said, we'll be focusing on project quality management. All right, and that has to do with the processes involved in planning, assurance and control of project quality. All right, the quality of the project that you are handling is very critical. It's very important. As a project manager, this should be at the top of your mind. All right, you cannot afford to have a poor quality project. You cannot afford to produce poor products. All right, you can't just allow the deliverables or the result or the outcome from your project to be of poor quality. Okay, so from the beginning of your project to the end, you have to do everything that is necessary to ensure that the outcome or the results of that project at the end of the day is of top quality. Okay, now from the PM book, project quality management is an integral part of project management that ensures the project delivers high quality results, satisfies stakeholders and achieves its objectives. Can you see that now? All right, so in order to ensure that your project delivers top quality results, I mean the highest quality of results that is possible, okay, and also satisfy your end users as the stakeholders, your clients, the people who are going to be making use of the outcome or the result of your project. Okay, you have to ensure that there is proper quality management in the course of your project. Okay, now by systematically planning, executing and controlling quality processes, project managers can enhance project success and stakeholder satisfaction. Now this is very important. All right, enhancing the success of your project and ensuring that your stakeholders are satisfied with your project at the end of the day is very important. All right, because as a project manager, you're going to need that word of mouth. All right, when you have completed a project for a particular client, you want to ensure that the client is satisfied with the quality of your work, so that that client can give good feedback. When talking with other people, they can recommend you, they can refer you based on the fact that you delivered quality project. All right, so delivering quality project should be paramount, all right, in the priority of a project manager, because this is a signature of your level of competency and how good you are in successfully carrying out projects. Okay, so that's why this knowledge area, project quality management, is very important. Okay, so moving on, let's look at the the processes that are involved in the project quality management. All right, we have 3 major processes, okay, and of course these processes have their own sub processes within them. So the first one we have here is plan quality management. So we're going to be looking at that extensively. We're going to look at the inputs, the tools and techniques, as well as the output of this process. And then secondly, we have the manage quality process. All right, how do you manage the quality of your project? So we're going to look at the inputs, the tools and the techniques, as well as the output. And then last but not the least, control quality. All right, so how do you control the quality of your project? So we'll look at that in detail. We'll look at the inputs, tools and techniques, as well as the output. Okay, so by the time we are done discussing these processes, you are going to have a broad understanding of what the project quality management is. All right, these are the basic processes inside this knowledge area: the plan quality management, the manage quality, and then the control quality. Okay, so this is what the project quality management entails. All right, so in the next section we're going to be looking at them one after the other. All right, so see you in the next section. Cheers.